This 2024 Winnebago Roam 59 RZP is a Class B RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50,436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features a black sands with walnut interior, sleeps 5 and 12 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features bunk over cab, front entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Roam 59 RZP is built on a RAM ProMaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.